David, we're here in the northeast of England today. Why are we here?
Joe, we're here today to announce an exciting new strategic partnership for renewing of our solid carbide cutting tools.
So what's that entail?
So we were looking for a partner for some time, especially post-Brexit, for manufacturer specification renew of round shaft products, whether drilling or milling.
And when you looked to the market to find somebody, what were you looking for? Presumably turnaround, quality, things like this?
Quality was key. Our round shaft product has been regarded as very high quality, so we wanted a partner that could reproduce and replicate our quality first and foremost. We were also looking for an exciting company that shared our business values and our growth plans and expectations.
Anthony, Renovo, you've been selected as the partner for ZCC Cutting Tools. What's that mean to the business?
Obviously, it's a massive opportunity for Renovo Solutions. We're a new and up-and-coming and innovative company. But one of the key things was finding a strategic partner to grow the company into the future.
What makes you different? There's many people that can regrind an mill in the UK, but you're a little bit different to that, aren't you?
Yeah, I think one of the key differences is that we've adopted from the outset an OEM mindset. So we've invested in Industry 4 technology right from the start, employed very skilled operators and adopted full OEM geometries and coatings and methodology all the way through the company.
And it's worth pointing out, you're quite a young company, you've come a long way in a short period of time, so you can tell us a little bit about the heritage and where you started.
Yeah, so the journey, I worked for a technical distributor before Renovo. I had a vision for the northeast of England to start a grinding facility. There was a big gap in the market to do so, but there was also a really big knowledge gap. I was really lucky to bump into Peter Dubler from Siemens Power Generation. He come on board, give us the underpinning knowledge to grow the company. From them, we've employed apprentices and continue to invest in employment and technology and software to grow the company further.
And the partnership with ZCC Cutting Tools, how's that going to work? What products can you regrind? And what product, non-standard specials, how's it all going to work?
Yeah, so fundamentally, we're going to manufacture standard product, semi-standard product, special tooling, anything rotary within reason. So we do reverse engineer tools, and we can design and manufacture special tools in-house for ZCC. Quality is a key requirement of the company. Everybody is 100% aligned to 100% inspection, and quality is key, and obviously that's paid back dividends by the 90% performance against a new tool from ZCC.
And you've come a long way in a short period of time, 2 years. What's the next 2 years going to hold?
Continued investment in employment. We've just moved facility from 1,000 square foot into 5,000 square foot. We've leveled up operation, we've standardised everything, we've invested in more FX7 linear grinding machines from Anchor, and we just need to now level out for a little bit, but then continue to grow ongoing employment and machines.
We've known Renovo for some time. Anthony and his team have been buying our raw material rod for their production of their own product. So we've been discussing for several months, going back to 2020, opportunities to grow and expand on the partnership. So we've been piloting this scheme sort of privately in the background for the past 6 months. And the quality has been fantastic. We've seen some really good results with the Renew manufactured product.
When you say renew, what do you mean?
So, one of Anthony's slogans is renew, and it's sort of a play on regrind. There's obviously many companies in the UK that can regrind cutting tools, but we wanted to sort of emphasise manufacturer specification. So in partnership with Renovo, they got access to our techniques, our solutions, our coatings, as well as our raw materials. So when we take a product from our customer, they basically have it back as a renew product, not a regrind product.
And in terms of the scope moving forward, how about non-standard tools? Does that fall under this umbrella?
Yeah, so the partnership is going to extend beyond renew. So in a 100% partnership with Renovo, under NDA, Anthony's going to exclusively manufacture special ZCC products here in the UK, which is a great benefit for us.
Presumably there's been a benchmarking process. They've reground some of your cutting tools and you've taken it to market. Have you got any data to back that up?
Yeah, so during the sort of pilot scheme that we've been doing with Renovo, we have an aerospace customer where we've won the business with our new manufactured product, doubling the tool life. Set the challenge with Renovo to benchmark against our new product, and we achieved 90% of performance. So for a renewed product, I think that's fantastic. It bettered the original, the previous supplier. Fantastic quality. So that it's in place now where regular quantities get shipped up to Renovo, and that was really the benchmark. So we can go to the market, the wider market, with the expectation that the renewed quality is not far from new product manufacture.
So ZCC Cutting Tools, you operate a strict distribution model, don't you? How's this going to affect your distributors?
The hope is that our distribution network will buy into this project. We have a select distribution network in the UK, less than 20, and the hope is that they would join us on this journey and use this fantastic facility and quality of product to expand on special manufacture. Anthony is quoting 1 to 2 weeks. So if we can get special product turned around in under a 4-week window, in this time, this day and age, after Brexit, then it's going to be beneficial to all our customers.
And ZCC as a whole, how's it going? Obviously post-Brexit, hopefully post-COVID, how's the landscape looking for the business?
Looking very well, Joe. So far this year, we're just short of 30% growth against 2019. Actually, not COVID year, so it's going very well.